How can I find my USCIS account number for online lookup?
Hello, welcome to our video. Today, we're going to talk about how to find your USCIS account number for online lookup. This number is crucial if you're dealing with any immigration processes in the United States, and we're here to guide you through the process of finding it.
What is a USCIS account number?
Before we dive into the details, it's important to understand what a USCIS account number is. The USCIS account number, sometimes also referred to as an A number, is a unique 7 to 9-digit number assigned to a person by the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. This number helps USCIS track your case and its history.
Where to find your USCIS account number?
Now, let's get into the most important part: how to find your USCIS account number. 1. Check your USCIS documents. Your USCIS account number can be found on any official USCIS documents that you've received, such as a receipt notice or approval notice. It should be clearly marked as the USCIS account number, or A number. 2. Look on your permanent resident card. If you're a permanent resident, your USCIS account number can also be found on your green card. It's the same as your alien registration number, which is the 8 or 9-digit number following the letter A on your card. 3. Access your online USCIS account. If you've set up an online USCIS account, you can also find your USCIS account number there. After logging in, go to the Profile section, and you should see your account number listed there. Please note, if you still can't locate your USCIS account number after following these steps, it's recommended that you contact USCIS directly.
What if you can't find your USCIS account number?
If you're having trouble finding your USCIS account number, or if it's not listed on any of your documents, don't panic. Contact USCIS directly. The USCIS Contact Center should be able to help you retrieve your account number. Remember to have all your personal information handy when you contact them to expedite the process. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of finding your USCIS account number. Remember, it's a crucial piece of information for dealing with any immigration procedures in the United States, so make sure to keep it safe. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your immigration journey.